Is the panic to own crypto almost here? Are we going to crash more first, then skyrocket? Are we at the bottom now? We're about to skyrocket. Magic 8 Ball. Let's really see. That's better than turning on CNN. A bunch of effing pedos. Magic 8 Ball. Is the crypto market going to crash pretty, severe from where it's at now before rocketing up? Ask again later. I don't want to ask again later. I'm asking now that people want to know now. But don't piss off the 8 Ball. Don't piss off the 8 Ball. So what do we have here? We have Zero Hedge article, of course. Ponzi? Question mark. Insiders are dumping stocks to their own companies at record pace. What do the CEOs and bigwigs know that you and I don't know? I do know one thing. When Donald Trump in 2020 said, if Biden wins, the stock market's going to crash. And I'm going to remind you to listen to all kinds of weird things Donald Trump had said over the last 4 years. And then they happened. And I'd come out here and say, at first I used to, I don't know about it. I learned my lesson quickly with Trump. If he says it, you better effing listen because he's going to be right. And that's what happened. So I got spanked. Got it. I'll never make that mistake again. Thank you, Trump. I needed a little lesson there. Thank you. So he did say the stock market would crash if Biden was elected. Or should I say selected. Now, if the stock market is going to crash, in fact, and I do believe it will, again, housing's out of control, everything's out of control, this whole thing has to implode. What happens to the crypto market, though? Typically, everything crashes, crypto crashes with it, and that's why old Snip's been licking his ice cream this whole time. But there is webbot data and psychics that are saying, yeah, so even if we do crash, it doesn't matter. It's going to go way back up. And the webbot data was panic to own crypto. And this article is, I don't need to even really read it other than to let you know the big people at the big companies are selling in droves. And the company stock buybacks are like the biggest and powerfulest they've ever been. How could these companies have so much money today when we had coronavirus lockdowns last year and some more this year? And that's what, Biden and Kamala Harris, they're blaming it on the economy, on the virus, and this, blah, blah, blah. So how could these companies have a massive war chest after dealing with all this to do all these stock buybacks? It's preposterous to even think that, but somehow they do. And somehow the CEOs and the big top guys of these companies are selling left and right. Why? Because they always know. They always know before you. And they always make their moves before you. And I'm that guy who goes, let me just ride their coattails. Let me see if I can figure out what these guys are doing and when they're doing it. And I'm going to try to follow suit. But I don't play with stocks. I do play with crypto. And something happens somewhere, maybe worldwide, that causes people to panic into crypto. And there's only so many of these cryptos out there. They typically, a few cryptos can actually create more of themselves by the people who own it because it's not exactly decentralized. Like Tether, for example. I'm trying to think, maybe even, was XRP like that or could still do it? Anyways, there's a few coins that can do it. Most coins cannot. And many of the coins you and I are holding are coins that don't do that. So when the people come running in, I need crypto, oh, I'm scared, I panicked. We didn't panic you, we didn't scare you. We saw this coming from a mile away. We were the guy who was next to you, the coworker, telling you a few years ago to get your ass into this stuff. Oh, I know, but I'm here now, I need it. Okay, well, go to Coinbase, maybe Gemini, get your crypto there. If you want to do some swaps, you can go to this side, get the Exodus wallet, you can do that. Oh my God, Bitcoin's $100,000. Yeah. XRP, I know. Again, you know what the price of these were when I was telling you about, dude? Fractions of where they are now. And by the way, I don't want to sell mine at these prices. Yeah, they're great, and I'm way up, but I want to be with winners. Ah, come on, guys. Us New Yorkers, we got to stick together, right? I want to be with winners. I'm going to have to tell that story again. There's probably a lot of new people here who don't know that one. Well, come on, guys. I just want to be with winners. There's a steak in a room. That's all I need, guys. Steak in a room. What an epic, funny story that was. I'll have to tell that one day for all my new people. Yeah, so I'm prepared personally for a crypto crash. Another one. Like this was just part 1 of 2, you know. I'm also prepared for this to be like, you know what? No, that's it. Up we go. Because I had dreams earlier this year that gave me exact prices to buy in Digibyte, Theta, XRP, Doge. I had 5 orders sitting here, most of which were for like months. Doing nothing, waiting. Market's up, waiting. Oh, it's up some more, waiting. A little down, up, not nowhere near close enough. Waiting. Boom. A few days ago happens. Boom. 3 out of 5 orders fill, which was Doge, Digibyte, Shiba. I didn't fill my Theta or XRP. And FYI, we need to see another 50% or so sell-off, if not a little more, for those 2 dream numbers to come true. And I don't know if that's going to happen or not. All I know is 3 out of 5 of my numbers that I was given hit. And I got in, and I got in at a good price. From the numbers they gave me, I didn't get greedy. I go, no, I'll go a little higher. And I did. And sure enough, that big bloody red candle wick that went way down, thank God I was, a little higher because they filled. And it worked. So bottom line is, if we do crash even harder from here, I don't be concerned. Crypto market does this. It recovers. Great. If you can get up some side cash out of your bank or whatever you need to do, maybe sell some shit. If it does another crash, boom, jump in. Get some more. People are usually scared to death to do that. They don't want to do it. My portfolio is already back down to where I first got it. It's even lower than when I got in. Oh my gosh. It may go even lower. I don't want to do that. And I'm going, what's on CoinMarketCap today? TradingView? Oh, that one's on 30%. Yeah, I want to get some of those. I'll get some more of those. Woodoo did that the other day. He goes, no, I'm just going for something that's really hit hard. I go, oh, okay. Awesome. So you pull up your pants, tighten your belt, and go, you know what? I'm going in. These are the coins I have. I want more of them. They're super cheap right now. Even if they do go lower, I'm getting them for a good price compared to where they've been. Therefore, they're going to go back like they typically usually do, right? So I'm at a good price. I'm going to get some. And if it dumps on me even more after I do this, so what? Now I just wait. Now at this point, if I don't have any more money, I just wait. Even if it goes down even more and you're like, damn, I could have got even more cheaper. So what? Just be patient, wait for it to come back up. But somebody's selling stocks and stuff around here. Companies doing big buybacks. I think they know something we don't know. So we shall see. Panic to own crypto. Is it about to be upon us? Is this part of it? Stock markets start crashing. Death of the dollar starts taking place all of a sudden. Countries don't want our dollar no more. Again, all by design. First time in history. And just like the first time in history with crypto, you and I, again, I wish I could go back to 2009 when Bitcoin came out. Forget mining it. I would have just bought for pennies. I would have just, why even mine them? Just give me them for pennies. We give them thousands of these things. Imagine if you had thousands of Bitcoin right now at $58,000 a piece. Right? So I didn't get in back then. I got in way later, but I still did great. And so did a bunch of you guys. And the getting right now with the prices right now is another good time to get in. You know, do you think there's still time? You see there's still time? Hell yeah, there's still time. Is the Pope a pedophile? Yeah, there's time. Everybody know that. Damn boy, everybody know that. Home and what you making.